What's going on, guys? We just had a delivery from Model Sport. Let's check it out. Brand new version 2 8S X MAXX. Going to do a quick unboxing of this. I've never done an unboxing before, so we'll pull it out and let you have a look at it. Check this out, people. Brand new, hot off the press. 50 plus mile an hour. 8S X MAXX in blue. Let's get this baby cracked open. Ooh, exciting. Transmitter. Top qualifier. There you have it. Brand new blue TRUCK X MAXX 8S. Got some bits in there, guys. Extra spur gear, metal spur gear. I think it's high speed gearing. Some stickers. The quality of those tyres is far superior to the version 1 6S. Feel them straight away. Compound on those. There we have it, guys. This thing is nice. Yeah. So as I said before, we've got the 8S tyres. Compound on these is it's so much better than the 6S version 1. Twin motor fan on this. It's a nice upgrade. VXL 8S ESC. That's going to be going from a Mach 6 ESC. Beefier drive shafts and drive cups. Nice bit of protection on the body shell there. Low down wheelie bar. Seriously, guys, this thing just looks really nice. I'm so impressed with it. Just the colouring of the body shell, it's just so much nicer than the original ones. Absolutely love this mechanism. Brilliant. So a lot of the upgrades to this truck, apart from the obvious it being 8S, running a 1200 kV motor. I think if you got this centre diff in here, they've got rid of that slipper clutch in favour of, I think it's called Cush Drive setup. That's meant to eliminate all the issues there. Also, you've got all steel gearing. Your differential ring and pinions are meant to be a lot beefier on this truck. So I was going to do a lot of upgrades to my version 1. You probably saw one of my previous videos if you bothered to look at it. I was doing a video on upgrading the version 1. In the end, I just looked at it and thought, let's just buy a version 2. Let's just buy one. So yeah, this is what, it's basically what £1,000 worth of Traxxas RC car looks like. Yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. Let us know what you want to see me do with this, guys. I might send it at some point. I'm probably going to be a bit nice to it to begin with. I've got the old body shell I can sling back on it, so I'm happy to send it with that on. So yeah. Sorry about this video being in 2 parts, guys. Had a bit of a problem with the camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me do with this thing. See you soon.